Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a high priority email in Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you need to make sure an important message stands out in someone's inbox and gets their immediate attention. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync everything properly. You'll want to make sure your inbox is fully loaded before moving forward with composing your priority message. Once your email has finished loading, the next step is to access your email composition tools. Look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can draft your important message. Now here's where the magic happens. From the email composition screen, you need to locate the tags section in the toolbar. This is typically found in the ribbon at the top of the composition window. Within this tags section, you'll see an option for high importance. It's usually represented by an exclamation mark icon. Simply click on this high importance button. By doing this, you're tagging your email with high priority status, which means it will appear with a special indicator in the recipient's inbox, signaling that this message requires their prompt attention. With your email now marked as high priority, it's time to fill in the details. Start by clicking in the To field and type in your recipient's email address. Make sure you've entered the correct address to ensure your important message reaches the right person. Next, move to the subject line and add a clear, concise subject that immediately conveys what your email is about. A good subject line combined with the high priority tag will make your message impossible to miss. Now click into the email body and compose your message. Keep your content clear and to the point, especially since you've already flagged this as urgent. Once you've written everything you need to communicate, take a quick moment to review your message for any errors or missing information. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, click the Send button. Your high priority email will now be delivered to your recipient with the importance flag attached, ensuring it gets the attention it deserves. And that's it. You've successfully sent a high priority email in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.